I am pleased to have you return to my Coin Lady channel. Probably the best thing that could have occurred to cryptocurrency assets, especially in the US. Bitcoin did in fact reach a new all-time high as a result of this, and the surge has continued to this day. It is indeed safe to say that XRP is responding. Signs of life like this are absolutely delightful. The timing of this event is such that it appears that there has been an expansion. Not to jump the gun too soon, but the stock market seems to be expanding, and XRP even had an independent run tonight before settling back down a bit. But there are indications of life, people. The remainder of this year, and, really, probably even into early next year, is going to be absolutely thrilling, and I just can't wait to see what happens. The last phase of elation, XRP reaching a new all-time high, entering price discovery, and everyone's faces melting are all waiting for us, in my opinion, at that point. At the same time that Bitcoin's price soared to a record high of $76,575 on the live Coin Watch Unbelievable Crypto Fear and Greed Meter, which is now at 77 out of 100, the number of searches for the cryptocurrency crashed. Since then, Bitcoin's price has fallen slightly. There is a difference of $74,751. However, while you're not behind the wheel, have a look at these. Take a look at this screen, it shows the price of Bitcoin every hour. Then there's XRP, which went on its own mini rally all by itself. There is nothing, no signs of life whatsoever. My face is melting just yet, I'll admit it. This is not the behavior of a dead coin. After what seems like an eternity, it will finally emerge from its 7-year symmetrical triangle and make a dramatic U-turn, either upwards or downwards. Thanks to the current bull market, I'm going to guess that it will be on the upside. The XRP price so reached 57.4 cents. You adore seeing it now for around 55.5 cents. Like everything else, XRP is definitely reacting. Because XRP is so cheap in comparison to Bitcoin and a bunch of other coins, I fear that many people who haven't been paying close enough attention will be shocked when this thing falls down. At our disposal is the Russell 2000. This blows my mind. Seeing this fills me with joy. Naturally, the small-cap stock index Russell 2000 soared 5.84% today due to the election's outcome. For the reason you stated. Unless it has some bearing on the economy, cryptocurrency, or some other related topic, I will refrain from discussing politics on this channel. It doesn't matter to me what party you support or ideology you have. However, I believe that everyone here will be able to discern how you voted if we're being intellectually honest. That's alright, but this result will undoubtedly benefit everyone involved in the cryptocurrency market. The market is yelling, so why would anybody listen? I challenge anybody to tell me the truth while maintaining a straight face. If you're into cryptocurrency, you're going to love to see this. Seriously, people, this is wonderful news, everyone is saying it. We have never experienced an alternate season without the Russell 2000. Now is the time to hope this if you are concerned about the success or failure of your XRP. There has been a 6% increase today. It is imperative that this be sustained. It is my hope that this will be expanded upon. On the other hand, it's really near to its all-time high. When this occurs, it will pave the way for alt season, and then XRP will make a tremendous, massive surge. This, though, must be seen to its conclusion. With any luck, we'll be able to see XRP tonight. It is a little amount of teasing, I suppose. It surpassed 57 cents, but that's none of your business, people. Hold on a second. There was an error, we had the S&P 500. Please allow me to try loading this again. For what reason does it return the wrong results? Where have I gone wrong? According to one day's report, it states a 50% decrease, which is incorrect. Excuse me? It was up around 2.5%, nonetheless. That is accurate, I am aware of that. You have no idea. Perhaps I accidentally selected an unusual link. It makes no difference, even though this is completely accurate. All I'm going to do is keep moving forward. Unencrypted, nonetheless, a gigantic influx of capital into the stock market. And emphasize that point. The watching guru was here. According to the watching guru, the US stock market gained more than $1.28 trillion today. Totally bonkers. The market speculators are obviously ecstatic about yesterday night's events. Markets have a history of not taking off in election years until after the results have been announced. I mean, you're experiencing such intense joy. You did see some very large moves earlier this year, but we've been going sideways for about 6 months now, so I get that. So, moving past that point is necessary to witness a continuation, since history seems to be repeating itself. Amazingly, things transpired so rapidly. Thus, in the upcoming days and weeks, we will observe whether it maintains its trajectory. For what reason, though? There are several rather obvious clues here. The question is whether or not this is a hint. I'm telling you, XRP holders, I think we're going to get ours. It seems likely that we will receive ours. In this post, we will discuss sentiment analytics in chain analytics, the next US presidential election, MicroStrategy's involvement with BlackRock, and the ongoing efforts to strengthen trade. Thanks to investor optimism, Bitcoin has risen to a new all-time high of $76,500. On this historic day, the S&P 500 soared to new heights, boosted by high-end investors' confidence in a pro-business economy and the stability of capital gains taxes for the next 4 years. Meanwhile, investments in gold and silver, which are typically seen as safe havens, fell precipitously. That's something else we were hoping to see at long last. Here we have, at long last, some submission. He continues by stating that investors are finding solace in the fact that they may profitably shift their money from precious metals, which are typically driven by fear, into hopeful and speculative assets like cryptocurrencies due to the recent uptick in market confidence. Absolutely right. Allow me to explain what a chart is good for. Let me do this in a specific order since Bitcoin does dominate the market, like it or not, and I honestly couldn't care less, but credible crypto heads are stating that I do have some XRP-specific stuff. I'm glad I have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is something I support. XRP, my largest individual bag, is where my excitement lies. Seeing my video is an honor. When you're done, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think.